booby trapped to
We Indiana Jones. I think it's real.
Yeah.
Because that's where they kept it.
What are you guys gonna get? Oh.
Dinner served. Day one, Chicago. Look at the view.
Because I folded it.
Oh, I thought like wait, like right now.
Oh no. Oh, but let's do that.
Okay, you go first. Is it recording?
Yes.
Okay.
Camber white shirt, Dickies, 874, Nike, what is it? I don't know. White.
Next.
Glasses, Ray-Bans, shirt, Target, pants, Levi's, shoes, Nike, this Apple, this my grandpa, this somewhere, Etsy, my fat ass from my mom.
Next. Oh wait, do it on this side. Ray-Bans, Marshalls, thrifted, Converse, underwear from.
Pulling up to the Bad Bunny
We call it to the
concert.
Bad Bunny.
Where are we?
We're at the Navy Pier, representing the National Guard.
I was gonna say representing the Gammas.
The Gammas? Look at how pretty it is. Look at the skyline.
It was purple.
We're in
Wow.
New York.
Oh yeah, we could do that. Where are we going today?
We're going to Chinatown, Hillston, Starbucks,
Today.
Guys, I just entered the anime store. Just like some anime. My mom would love this store actually.
Not your mom. Wait, you guys were there? Yeah, I was there.
Somewhere else.
I forgot. Like,
Yeah, my mom got into a fight here at Chinatown.
For what?
I think they're like charging her extra for some bamboo. And she was like, no, I want the price reduced. And I was like, Mom, it's only like a couple dollars. She's like,
It's the
no,
principle.
yeah, it's the principle. Yeah, she's like, we value ethical business practices. Yeah. Oh no, get him out of here. It's the third one. Get him out of here. Get him out of here. Yeah.
Cooking so
That's not your height.
It is though. This is at my eye level. This is what I see when I walk around.
Go see what I see. How do you turn it around?
Oh, there's like a little lever here.
Feel me, I'm walking next to you. Okay, go to the store. Oh no. Traffic took you guys away. Okay, go through the store. got Spencer these because he has a foot fetish.
I do love me some meat. Look at all this food. Is that ours? Oh. What does that say? Can you read it?
주차장에서 발생하는 모든 사고와 고난에 대해 책임을 지지 않습니다.
Oh, and what does that mean?
The manual would not be responsible for any longer accidents.
Oh,